Hi everyone, you're on the Kamilla channel. Today I'll show you how to sculpt Turning Red. If you have already watched this cartoon, then put a plus in the comment. I think many of you have guessed that the red panda is depicted in this cartoon. The red panda is slightly larger than a domestic cat, with a bear-like body and thick russet fur. The belly and limbs are black, and there are white markings on the side of the head, and above its small eyes. Red pandas are very skillful and acrobatic animals that predominantly stay in trees. Almost 50% of the red panda's habitat is in the eastern Himalayas. They use their long bushy tails for balance and to cover themselves in winter, presumably for warmth. Primarily an herbivore, the name panda is said to come from the Nepali word ponya, which means bamboo or plant-eating animal. While I'm sculpting, I'll briefly talk about this amazing character. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. As K-pop wraps up its global presence, a growing number of creators in Hollywood are climbing on the Turning Red. Is a Y2K coming-of-age narrative centered on a Chinese-Canadian twin, whose confidence is rattled when she suddenly starts turning into a giant red panda. What we learn is a matrilineal curse passed down through generations, is an allegory for the joys and humiliations of puberty, hormonal eruptions, mortifying interactions with cute boys. And few things trigger May's inner panda like Photown, the embodiment of a desire that is forbidden yet burgeoning. When we meet May, she's caught between two identities: the honor roll, math-loving student who aims to please her mother Min at all costs, and a young woman eager to navigate looming adulthood. Because of that conflict, May knows her love of Photown poses some risk. When an ad for the Torrent concert pops up on a TV while she is watching a Korean drama with her mother, she pretends she is in a fun for fear of Min's disapproval. And she's right too. Min labels them delinquents and asks, why are they called Photown if there are 5 of them? It's a joke that reflects reality. Australian pop rock quartet 5 Seconds of Summer were asked something similar in the early days of their career. Naturally, May and her friends want nothing more than to get to that concert. Unlike other Pixar films, where a child protagonist is tasked with saving the world, making it to the Sky Dome is their hero's journey. This isn't just our first concert, May tells her friends. This is our first step into womanhood. Although the band may initially drive a wedge between May and Min, Turning Red doesn't make May choose between the two. In the film's epic conclusion, it's clear that Photown is as much a part of me as her friends, her family, and their generational traditions. Shi's wonderful film argues that a cute phantom of the kind so many young girls have for boy bands remixes a general love of music into something more potent, a way to understand both your individual and common identities. That's all I know about this character and the plot of the animated series. If you know something else, write in the comments. I will continue to sculpt. Turning Red is finally ready! If you like it, thumbs up and write down in the comments what character should I sculpt in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye bye!